Good morning. My name is Rick Weber, and we're here at the MarineMax Pompano store, the indoor showroom, taking a look this morning at the Boston Whaler 17 Dauntless. 17 Dauntless is a great combination boat with equipment to ski, to fish, family cruise, whatever you have in mind. As you can see, there's lots of seating. Fold down seating here at the stern, one up, one down. A reversible pilot seat with a live well beneath it in this boat. Console has an AM/FM stereo Bluetooth radio. There's your sun top, which will give you sun protection from just forward of the console to just aft of this helm seat. The boat's sold as a package with a galvanized steel trailer, breakaway tongue. The boat you're looking at is a classic tan, gel coat color. The standard boat is white. This boat is powered by a 115 Mercury outboard, 4-stroke. The standard boat would be a 90 horsepower, so this is an upgrade. Swim platform. Full cushion set in the bow, which gives you plenty of place to sit or lie out. Catch some sun. Handrails everywhere you sit in this boat. There's something to hold on to. There's your breakaway tongue on the trailer. Makes it easy to keep in the garage, carport. There you go. That's the Boston Whaler 2018 17 Dauntless. I'm Rick Weber. Once again, we're here at the MarineMax Pompano store, the indoor showroom. Come down, take a look at it. Or if you like, give me a call at 954-501-8493, and I'll be glad to get you any information you need. Thank you.